Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on VIVO V15 PRO. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Here locate something like security or biometrics. Not this, let's try again. Okay, here's the fingerprint, face and password, so that already confirms that this device does have it. And now let's try to locate it. So it seems that the fingerprint sensor is located on the bottom of the screen, here where I'm pointing with my index finger. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.